Hey guys, I don't know if any of you have had this problem, but I'm just getting back in the swing of things. And I've been getting out and doing some welding only to find out that my battery is dead. Now, this normally wouldn't be a problem, but I couldn't remember how to take the auto darkening lens out to replace the battery. I seen all these pieces because, as in my great wisdom, I went ahead and chucked the instructions. So I went ahead and got online. I did find this online. It has the instructions for the Hobart Impact series, and it made it pretty easy, but I'm going to show you guys anyways. Basically, you're just wanting to pop this off right here. Get that. Now, I did have the lens come out. I did bring some lens cleaners out because it is getting pretty dirty there. Now we just need to take this rubber piece off. Just pops right off. And on the Hobart Impact series, we'll just push that in, pull out the battery tray, if I can get a hold of it. And there we go. And we have the 2450 Duracell. I just happened to find a Duracell. So let's get that in there. Good job, Duracell. Can't get that off. What the heck, man? Ah! Come out! All right, that was easy. Well, let's get this in there. If you're like me, you forgot which way you took the battery out anyway. So luckily they have the negative sign right there. So we're going to pop this back in. And of course, I forget which way it went back in, but slides right in. All right, the lens itself's pretty dirty and I wanted to clean these up. So I got some of my lens cleaner wipes for my camera, see how they work. Good. Now, slide my other lens back in there. Okay, now I got to put this back in here. Looks about right. Let's see. Yeah, it sets back in there like that. Let's go ahead and put this lens in here. And pop that back on. Nice and clean. Let's go ahead and give this a little test here. And it's working. All right. Well, I hope the video helped you guys out. I was dumb enough to throw away the instructions, so I went ahead and went online. But I figured I would just go ahead and show you the problem I was having and help one of you. So, as always, thanks for watching.